Hey everyone, this is Hans from Usergrowth, and in this video we're going to answer the question: what are short tail keywords for SEO in just under 4 minutes. Are you ready? Start the timer. First of all, let's define what short tail keywords are. Short tail keywords, or head terms as some people like to call them, are search queries that are very broad and have high search volumes. It's the exact opposite of long tail keywords that get their name from the spot on the search demand curve being the long tail of the curve. While the short tail of the search demand curve only has around 18.5% of the total amount of keywords ranking in the curve, the number of monthly searches more than makes up for it, as those searches itself can easily go into the millions. For example, just the word Amazon has a rough estimate of 123 million monthly searches, while Amazon juggling balls only has around 100. Now you might be wondering, why are short tail keywords important for SEO? Well, short tail keywords can help to drive a lot of traffic to your website due to their high search volume. They can also help to improve brand awareness and visibility in search engine result pages, also known as a SERP. And they are also very important as part of keyword research, as they are usually the terms you can already quickly come up with from the top of your mind what you want your business to rank for online. However, there are also some drawbacks to using short tail keywords. Due to their high competition, it can be difficult to rank for them, and they often have a lower conversion rate than long tail keywords. So how do you find short tail keywords for your business? Well, here are a few quick tips. Number 1, you can find short tail keywords in Google Search Console. Go to your property in Google Search Console, go to Performance in the left menu bar and click on Search Results. Click Queries and sort the list by the number of impressions. This will give you a list of all the high search volume keywords that your website is currently ranking for and on what position. Using this information, you can start optimizing for those terms or use them as input as part of your keyword research to start creating topical clusters around them. Number 2, finding short tail keywords your competitors are already ranking for. Use keyword research tools to find the keywords that your competitors are ranking for and see if they are relevant to your business. The big question, of course, is, while creating content, should you target long tail or short tail keywords? The choice between targeting long tail or short tail keywords depends on the goal of your SEO strategy. Most of the time, the decision is not as black and white though. Short tail keywords are broad, non-specific terms with high search volume. Targeting short tail keywords can result in increased traffic to your website, but the traffic may not be highly relevant or result in many conversions. Long tail keywords, on the other hand, are longer, more specific phrases with lower search volume. Targeting long tail keywords can result in more targeted, engaged traffic and potentially more conversions, but there may be less overall traffic. Ultimately, the right choice depends on the nature of your business, your audience and your competition. A mix of both short tail and long tail keywords though is most of the time the most effective in a comprehensive SEO strategy. By using these tips, you can find relevant short tail keywords that can help to improve your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your website. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about short tail keywords for SEO in just under 4 minutes. I hope this video helped you understand the benefits and drawbacks of short tail keywords and how to find them for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, check out our in-depth article on short tail keywords and doing keyword research by clicking the link in the description below. Trust us, it's worth the read. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And of course, if you like all the videos and the content that we're giving to you to help you grow your business online and want to help back, please subscribe, like, share this video, tell other people about it. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.